A closer look at the ICJ's ruling.
In a historic ruling, the World Court has determined there's plausible evidence of genocide unfolding in Gaza, a judgment welcomed in Palestine.
It means that the cries and suffering of our people in Gaza have been heard in the Great Hall of Justice.
The UN's top court, also known as the International Court of Justice, says Israel must take 6 provisional measures to ensure the Palestinian people are protected and submit a report within a month detailing its compliance. South Africa brought the case to the ICJ, accusing Israel of violating international laws on genocide in the territory. And it sees the ruling as victory for human rights.
Our core purpose was really that it is vital to highlight the plight of the innocent in Palestine and to also alert the international community to the great harm that is being done to the people of Palestine.
The Israeli Prime Minister's response was one of defiance, condemning the ruling and calling it a disgrace.
Israel's commitment to international law is unwavering. Equally unwavering is our sacred commitment to continue to defend our country and defend our people. Like every country, Israel has an inherent right to defend itself. The vile attempt to deny Israel this fundamental right is blatant discrimination against the Jewish state.
But still, for Palestinians, this is a watershed moment in their struggle for liberation from Israeli occupation and its war. And many are now watching to see how South Africa will use this ruling to increase its diplomatic efforts in calling for an end to Israel's war inside the Gaza Strip. Mike Lappel for Inside Story.
Hello, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, subscribe for more daily updates. The International Court of Justice has just delivered its decision on South Africa's request for provisional measures against Israel regarding violations of the Genocide Convention in the Gaza Strip. As one might expect, there are a lot of technical elements. But the main points are as follows. A. The court decided it has jurisdiction to examine the case. B. A dispute does exist under Article 9 of the Convention. C. The court is not required at this stage to decide whether Convention violations have occurred. Instead, it must merely decide whether the acts carried out by Israel could violate the Convention. D. Some of the acts committed by Israel are capable of falling within the bounds of the Genocide Convention. E. South Africa is standing to bring the case to the court. F. Palestinians constitute a distinct group within the meaning of Article 2 of the Genocide Convention. G. The Israeli military operations in Gaza have led to significant deaths, injuries, displacement, and destruction. H. Israeli officials have made disturbing and racist statements dehumanizing Palestinians. I. The court believes that the Palestinians have plausible rights to be protected under the terms of the Genocide Convention. J. The court believes there is an urgency to the case that would merit provisional measures before the court delivers its final findings. K. The court believes that the civilian population in Gaza remains extremely vulnerable and could deteriorate further before the court gives its final judgment. L. The court believes that certain provisional measures should be indicated. The provisional measures are as follows. I. Israel must take all measures within its power to prevent any violations of the Genocide Convention. 15 votes to 2. 2. Israel must ensure that its military does not violate the Genocide Convention. 15 votes to 2. 3. Prevent and punish incitement to commit genocide. 16 votes to 1. 4. Israel must take urgent steps to address the humanitarian situation in Gaza. 16 votes to 1. V. Israel must protect evidence of genocide. 15 to 2. 6. Israel must provide a report to the court within 1 month detailing its steps to meet the terms of the order. 15 to 2. The dissenting judge was Israel's ad hoc judge to the court for this case. And Justice Sebutin from Uganda. In summary, This does not mean that the court has said that Israel has committed genocide. It means that the court considers that there are grounds to believe that violations of the Genocide Convention are taking place. It has, therefore, ordered that Israel must take specific steps to prevent violations of the Genocide Convention. Crucially, it has not ordered Israel to cease its military operations in Gaza.